The only bit we have left is to look at the dorsum of the hand. Now, in this specific dissection, we are only looking at the intrinsic muscles of the hand, and on the dorsum of the hand, we can only see the dorsal interosseous muscles, so the dorsal abductors. And here we can see one of those. This is the dorsal abductor of our second digit. And we can partially see one there, which is then, because this is the middle finger, so the middle finger can abduct away from the midline. So that will be the second dorsal abductor of the third digit. So we would expect to see one more dorsal abductor there and one dorsal abductor here. Why don't we see the dorsal abductors of the thumb and the digit minimi? Because remember, they have their own abductors. The thumb even have two abductors. The thumb has the short abductor that we see on the anterior part of the section, and the abductor pollicis longus that has a deep tendon running to the interosseous membrane between the radius and the ulna. So this is your abductor pollicis longus. Next to that, just to show you what the difference is a little bit, next to that you will find flexor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis brevis, and here we find extensor pollicis longus. Okay, so extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, and abductor pollicis longus. And of course, digit minimi doesn't need an abductor because it also has an abductor sitting here on the medial side of the hand. Able to abduct the digit. Okay, that's it for the back of the hand. So all these tendons are extrinsic muscle tendons.